Welcome to the balcony farm. It's November 2025. I can't believe it. And this is how the balcony garden is looking. We have had so much rain over the last few days, over the last week, really. So it's been quite a rainy autumn so far, which I suppose is a good thing because we had a very dry spring, very dry summer in the UK. And from what I read, it was, I think, one of the driest summers and springs that we've had since records begun. And it's worrying. It's really worrying. But anyway. Even the nettle. Look at the nettle over there. I've deliberately not watered it, and it usually gets watered by the rain because it's quite close to the edge. It's the part of the balcony that does receive rain, decent amount, and the sweet box next to it. And they seem to be drying out. I mean, they will recover, but that's the first time that's happened. I think in about 4 or 5 years that I've had this balcony garden. The sun has come out. It's beautiful. Autumn sun. But yeah, I think I might need to do more watering than I usually do. And try and keep things going. Even the basil is still going, but it's starting to yellow. So yeah, it's just a quick update, an autumn update. Lavender is doing okay. Rosemary is doing really well as well. Aloe vera. Yeah, this is a very low maintenance balcony farm. Really looks after itself. The kale has been eaten away by the critters, but I just let them. It's okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.